guys, today I'm gonna show you where to download Sony Vegas Pro and how to install it. Okay, let's go to Google and type in, this is the link I'm using right now. Go to the website, Sony something something. This is the actual website where they sell it. So let's go to download. Free trial. And Vegas Pro. Right here it said select your operation system. Mine is 64, so I'm gonna take 64 and download. Save. Well, I'm gonna come back maybe when it's done, okay? Okay, it's finished downloading. Now you install it. Right click, open. Choose the language you want and go with English. Accept the term. You can change if you want, but I prefer not to. Remember, it's in program Sony Vegas. Most likely you could be in program 68, I think. Yeah. If this takes too long, I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished installing it and it's right here. Let's click on it. So right now you only have the trial version for the Sony Vegas. Let's close that. Yes. Now let's go to this link right here. It's from Mega Upload and it's mine. It's perfectly safe. Copy. Paste. And there's no virus. Right here. Download. It'd be really nice if you guys could download it from my link, because it would help me a lot to keep my profile up running. Yeah. Regular download. Nope. Save as. Okay. This is slow. You can probably be faster than mine. Probably. I don't know. Okay, it's finished. We don't need this anymore. And I don't know what the hell this is. Okay, I just finished downloading the Keygen. Now to open this, you right click it, open container, copy this and paste to the desktop, close this, close this. Okay, to open this you need a WinRar. You could get this from Google or anywhere else you can. It's free, you could get it for free. Okay, open, file, open the chief, all file, Sony Vegas Keygen right here, open, click first, open, this thing right here, the keygen.exe, that's the only thing you need, the extract, desktop, okay, close this red thing right here. Okay, to make it work, make sure you right click it, run as admin. Okay, you gotta wait 10 seconds. Turn my volume down. Click OK. Okay, choose the program, which is right here, Vegas Pro 10, 64-bit. Now patch it. Let's see. Remember, I saved it to program file, not the program 86. You might save it here, I don't know. Yeah. Did I say 68 earlier? I think, yeah, I did. I failed. Anyways, program. Go to Sony and OK. This is the important part. If you did it wrong, the whole thing will mess up. Success. Okay. Now don't close this. Move it over here. Open the program. Register. Next. You need a serial code number, which is right here. IR8 blah blah blah. Make sure you copy all. Paste. And next. Register from another computer. Next. Next. Put in your information. It doesn't have to be real. Just fake it. Fake email, fake address, everything. Click. Check this and this. Doesn't matter if you have this or not. Next. Save it anywhere you want. Now I save it to the desktop. Next. Okay, the author blah blah blah, I can't say that. Okay, make sure you copy all of this. Copy. Paste. And finish. There you have it, Sony Vegas Pro 10. Okay, enjoy it, and please don't forget to rate and comment.